Hi, I'm Astrid. In this video, I'd like to show you a sequence of holds, or a flow as we call it in Jinshin-Jyutsu, to help ease acid reflux and also indigestion if you have it. What happens with acid reflux in terms of energy is that it's all coming up, and what we want is for it to go down. So this exercise will help the energy to go down. It will help our exhale, and our exhale helps things go down, helps the energy go down. So we want to open up this waistline area, and for that we're going to practice the flow that we call the diaphragm flow. And in its manifest form, the diaphragm is actually a very strong muscle here at the waist that helps us with breathing. And when it gets tight, it affects our breathing. So we want to keep it nice and happy, and this exercise really helps to do that. So get nice and comfortable. We're going to start by placing the right hand on the left last rib here at the waist, and the left hand on the right elbow. You can close your eyes and I will guide you through the exercise. We're going to spend about 2 minutes on each position. Release the left hand and now slide it under the buttock, palm against the body, onto the sit bone. So just place your hand comfortably under your sit bone, relax the hands and hold. Release the right hand, bring up the right foot, and now place the right hand on the inside of the right heel under the ankle, big toe side. Just place your fingers there and hold. Release the right hand, and now with the right hand you're going to make a very soft fist, so the fingers are in the center of the palm. Okay, just very soft. Relax the hand and hold. Release both hands, and now we're going to hold the left ring finger. Just relax the hands and hold. Wonderful. Release the hands. Open your eyes when you're ready. And I hope you feel more ease here in the chest and in the waist, and that your breathing is also easier. So I hope you enjoyed that exercise, and look out for the next one. Bye for now.